So hey guys, welcome back in my new and very most important video. And if you have a Samsung smartphone and your Samsung smartphone is logged by Google FRP, means you forgotten your Gmail ID account details and you cannot go further in the configuration page. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone without Gmail ID and without using any kind of computer and software tool. In just 5 minutes you can unlock all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. So let's begin the video first. You can see here this Samsung smartphone is completely logged and forgetted the Gmail ID account detail. So first of all my friend, you have to do some important changes into your Samsung smartphone. First of all, you don't connect the charging cable at this moment, but you sufficient charge your smartphone at least 75%. You can see here there are 87%. So you have to charge your smartphone sufficiently, minimum 75%. Okay, after that you have to go to the emergency call option here and you have to dial *#0*#, and after that this page will come into your mobile screen. So after that you have to open the sensor option here. This is the sensor, so click here and you have to wait only 3 seconds. 1 2 3 and done. Go back, and after that you have to go back to the main page, means emergency calls page. When you come here again, so you have to dial *366*1022*0* and done. You have to enter the code into emergency call option page. After that you have to call this code and done. Go back, and your smartphone is just ready to start your unlocking method. So this method is from service center, so you have to follow all these methods, and I have totally 13 years of experience in this field. So this method you have to follow all these into your logged Samsung smartphone, and at the end of the video you can unlock your smartphone. Okay, as you see here, you have to start your configuration. If you have latest Android version 15, 16, so you have to follow all these methods into your logged Samsung smartphone. So you have to click agree, and here you don't touch the first option. You have to click setup manually, and after that my friend, you can see here you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, and after that you have to click the next button here. And after a few moments, after waiting a while, your smartphone is asking to enter your PIN pattern password lock. As you see here on the next page, in this page you have to enter your PIN pattern password, but you forget this, so you have to click use my Google account instead. And after a few moment again, your phone is asking again to enter your Gmail ID account detail, but you also forget this. So you have to click the setting page and you have to find these small setting icons. After that you have to go to the down and find reset to default settings. So click here, and here you have to reset all settings one by one. Click reset, click erase, and click clear cache file. After completion of this job, go back and go to the first option. This is languages and types. So you have to open the first option and go to the second option, manage input languages, and here you have to find the English, US and UK option. Because of that, the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the US and UK. Except all you have to turn off and go to the 3-dot corner, check for updates and wait for a while. After that you see here the update option comes here, so you have to click to update again, and all done my friend. Go back to the previous the setting page and go down and find the suggest text corrections option here. Here you got this manage apps, so you have to click here And after that, you can see here there are lots of applications, so you have to first of all available apps you have to turn off, and after a 2 second you have to turn on. Done. Go down and you have to turn off some few applications here. First of all, you have to turn off the Gemini, second Samsung Max VPN, and done. Go back to the previous page and find the layout section, and you have to click to turn on alternative characters. Go down and find the www./.com to turn on, and go back to the first page of configuration, welcome page. So if you comes in this page, you have to arrange another Android smartphone like that, and open this smartphone. Here you have to click a start button here and click agree, and here my friend you have to click the Galaxy or Android device, and on the another side you have to click the setup option, and you have to scan this barcode from this scanner and unlock this Samsung smartphone. And all done. Click don't copy here, and you can choose a new type of pin pattern password lock in this smartphone. If you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Samsung smartphone model at your home. If you have any queries, so comment us your specific Samsung model name with subscribe our YouTube channel. Then after, our team will reach you within 10 minutes, and our team will help you when you subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very very important to us. This will motivate us, so you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and like and share this video also. So you have to only follow all these steps one by one into your Samsung smartphone, and then after, at the end of the video, you can unlock your smartphone by using this amazing service center method. This is very very easy and very very simple method to apply into your locked Samsung model. You have to only follow a step one by one. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be learn how can you unlock this. Okay, this is very very simple and very very easy method, so you have to only follow all these methods into your locked Samsung smartphone. If you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.